Latin America stock market has also showed the broad-based gains today, reflecting the renewed investor optimism across the major indices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, led by the charge in the United States, climbing 230 points to close at 40,000 and also rise to a 0.70%, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq posted more modest gain of 0.43% and 0.27% respectively. Also, the continued upward momentum in the S&P 500, now at 5,600, suggests growing confidence in the large cap equities. The CBOE volatility index, that is the VIX referred to the fear gauge, dropped significantly by 4.89% to reach 23, signaling reduced market anxiety. The Russell 2000, which tracks the small cap stock, is also moved higher by 0.33%, indicating broader participation in the rally. Also in the Canada, the S&P TSX Composite surged 0.75 and the TSX 60 outpaced it slightly with a gain of 0.8, signaling strength in the blue chip Canadian stock. Latin America market were mixed, with the Mexico's IPC jumping 1.05% and Chile's IPSA performing regional peers with 1.29% gain. Brazil's Bovespa was also the lone major laggard, slipping 0.09%, likely on the localized economic and political concerns. Overall, today's market performance reflects resilient infrastructure and investor sentiment amid a backdrop of stabilizing volatility and ongoing macroeconomic developments. The commodity market posted modest but broadly positive gains today, with the energy and the metal leading the way. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude oil edged up by 0.651% to reach $58.45, while the Brent crude oil followed closely, rising 0.52% to reach $61.44, both these sitting near the lower end of their 52-week ranges, indicating continued pressure from the oversupply concerns or the weak demand signals. Also, the natural gas remained largely flat, inching up just 0.08% to reach $3.95, despite trading within the higher band of its annual range. Also, in the precious metal, gold climbed 0.74% to reach $3,417, continuing its bullish trend and approaching its 52-week high, a likely reflection of the ongoing demands for the safe haven asset amid the macroeconomic uncertainty. Silver has also gained 0.64% to reach now at 0.54 in the final, that is the $33, also supported by the similar investor sentiment and the industrial demands. In the agriculture sector, soya bean made a minor move higher, up to 0.19% to reach $10.14. Also, as market participants weigh crop yield expectation and export dynamics, overall today's commodity performance suggests a cautiously optimistic tone, with the metal signaling inflation hedging and the energy markets showing some stability despite lingering concerns.